What's going on, people? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. How is everybody? Hopefully everybody enjoyed their Thanksgiving. I know it's a little bit late. Everybody had Black Friday. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading for the last week. I missed a week. It's just because I had so many Black Friday sales, guys, that I had to actually get them all packaged. That's just some of them, and then the rest have been shipped out. So if you ordered something, be expecting it. It should be coming soon. Everything is being fully stocked. So today we're actually going to do a video, and we're not going to work on the Z, we're not going to work on the Ferrari or the truck. We're actually going to do a garage mod. So anybody who has a garage and you work out of your house, for example, you have a house garage, I think this mod is very beneficial to all of you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, but let's get to it. So I forgot to take a picture of it, but in the past, if you guys remember in my videos, I used to have my tire stack right here, but check it out. So I purchased this from Costco. This is the tire rack. This company makes it, Eagle Industrial Supply. This setup was $57, guys, and as you guys can see, it holds 4 of my drift sets perfectly, and it also has room for another set as well, which I put this little cart in. But I want to go ahead and install this before I showed you guys the video, just to make sure I do it correctly, just because I am human. I make mistakes too. I know some of you guys think I don't know everything. No, I actually make a lot of mistakes, guys. But yeah, I wanted to install this, so now I'm gonna take you guys step by step on how to do this. But check this shit out. This is so sick. Is that Volk race? Woo, this is so hot. But yeah, we're gonna install another set right here, so we could go ahead and put my other sets of drift spares there, and then we could shove our tranny under there. Looking beautiful. Alright, so we unboxed it. So the kit comes with hardware, mounting screws, the rods, which are these guys, the brackets, which is this guy right here that mounts up to the wall, and a set of instruction guides. We don't need that. Who uses instruction guides? But hey, at least they sent one. Just kidding, guys, I used it. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take the arms, and as you guys can see, it looks like this is like laser cut steel, but this is good to like 400 pounds, so it's holding all this. But it has 3 holes, and what we're gonna need to do, like I did with that set, is you're gonna need to get a stud finder. Thanks to Blake, let me borrow it. And how this works is you hit it and it's ready to go, and then you start sliding, and when you find the stud, it will tell you where the stud is, so as you guys can see right there, and you're gonna stud it up. Oh, and the tools you're gonna need for this: little small impact stud finder, a 14mm, 8mm with a drill and a drill bit. Forget the name of this, but to balance it, and I guess a measuring tape. Alright, now that everything is set, we're gonna go ahead and use tape. Same thing for the bottom, and then so that's our final product, both mounted up. Now it's time to attach these bolts. How you can see it, kind of like slides out, right? Whatever length you want, and then it comes with 4 hardware, size 14, that you tighten on each end. I'm gonna do the same settings I did up top. First hole, and then 1 remaining before the last hole. Well, here it is, the final version. Made up this garage so much nicer and clean. It's easier to deal with. Hell yeah. So if any of you guys are interested and want to get a nice tire rack for yourself, I'll link the item in the description for you guys. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. But thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this small mod. See you guys next week.